Hey guys, Elliot here. I used to play a paramedic on ER years ago. Not a real paramedic, but I played one on TV. So I want to show you a quick thing. Easy. We can make our own masks and save each other from, droplets coming out every day. All you need. It's going to cost $2 from the Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, 99-cent store, whatever you want. Hair ties actually come 10 in a pack. And bandanas, and they actually come one or two in a pack. We're going to fold the bandana and make this instant. Ready? Here we go. Fold over once. Fold over twice. Fold over 3 times. Then we're going to take it, flip it so that the seam is on this side. Then from there, take your hair tie, tuck it in like this. Take your other one, open your hair tie, tuck it in like this. What we're going to do, fold over, you'll see there's an opening. Open that hole, take this, tuck it in, press down, pull, press down, pull. Now you have your mask. Easy.